रास्ते भागे वहां से आगे, जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे। क्यों सोचना है जाना कहाँ, जाए वहीं ले जाए जहाँ। बेसब्रियाँ 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 बेसब्रियाँ। कदमों पे तेरे बादल झुकेंगे जब तक तुझे एहसास है। जागीर तेरी तेरा खजाना, ये तश्नगी है ये प्यास है। क्यों रोकना अब ये कारवां, जाए वहीं ले जाए जहाँ। बेसब्रियाँ 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 बेसब्रियाँ। क्या ये उजाले क्या ये अंधेरे दोनों से आगे हैं।
Dear parents, I am Amita Pathak, Headmistress Podar Prep. Welcome you all to our annual concert. The most awaiting moment and the most awaiting concert is our annual concert of any school. We, Podar Prep, welcomes you all. We will start our program with lighting a lamp. Let us begin this auspicious occasion by lighting the lamp, a symbol of knowledge and enlightenment. I cordially invite our esteemed principal, Ms. Jyoti Sharma, and admin officer, Mr. Kunal Brahmbhatt, to grace this occasion by kindly lighting the lamp. Ma'am, please.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Art Kala, a storytelling kahani, are like two sides of the same coin. Both are creative and immerse us into a world of colors, emotions, and stories. India has a rich heritage of storytelling through art forms like Dastangoi, Chambarumal, Pattachitra, Togalu Gombieta, Chitrakathi, Kavod, Gond and Bhil, and many more. But if you look at storybooks or videos meant for children, they are mostly in digital art styles. The traditional art forms are lost. Children are exposed to stories through videos, books, reels, and so much more. But sadly, they do not get the Kahani and Kala combination that is required to nurture and inspire a love for creativity and pattern recognition. All these art forms have specific patterns in them. And if their eyes see patterns, then their hands will be able to create patterns in drawing, writing, and so much more. And that is why we are celebrating Kahani or Kala Ka Utsav Jumbo Ke Sang as our annual concert. Not only that, we link each story, art form with values that children learn before this annual concert. But more, where children were immersed in a week long project that helped them see these art forms in a contemporary manner, something that they can relate to. Imagine seeing nursery rhymes in traditional art story formats. Here are a few of them that we created. So, the new version of Humpty Dumpty, who did not fall, is in Nirmal art form. The new Piggy on the Railway, picking up stones, is in Bheel art form. The new Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is in Madhubani art form. Of Jack and Jill, Jack and Jasmine is in Chamba Rumal art form. Of Jack and Jasmine is in Chamba Rumal art form. The new Happy and You Know It, the one about feeling, is in Kavod art form. The new version of Ringa Ringa Roses, Round and Round the Rose Bush, is in Kavi art version. We will be illustrating our rhyme books soon in their art forms. This is truly Kahani or Kala Ka Utsav. Join us as our children and Jumbo take you on a journey to celebrate the storytelling traditions of India. From scroll painting and tribal puppetry to miniature paintings, harmonizing with music and dance for across our country. सो पेरेंट दिल थाम के बैठिए और अपने बच्चों के साथ साथ दूसरे की क्लास के भी बच्चों के लिए तालियां बजनी ही चाहिए. प्लीज डोंट स्टॉप.
Big bright color, little and pink. Together will we walk step by step in a blink. Every state has to share with joy and love. We will bring it with care.
Kala.
We are and
Each state of India has a different story and art form.
it and sorry
Begin to shine. journey that will never end. Art makes stories come alive, swell with pride. कहानी और कला hand in hand with Jumbo we are on a joyful land. From every state the tales unite. In our heart shines bright. Exit. Here the characters are Jumbo as Nikum from senior KG, Palak as Maya from senior KGA, Medhans as Rohan from senior KGB.
This is the Tumbuyat Forum from Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. It shows story about honesty, kindness, and courage, teaching important life lessons. This is the Tumbuyat Forum from Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Look what is happening there, Jumbo. This is the Dastongoyatis are performing the ancient art called storytelling called Dastongoi. Let us celebrate the value of sharing and taking turns with this art forum from Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Let's go and watch it.
एक था बच्चा नाम था मोहन, खेलने में था सबसे चौखन, दिल से था वो बहुत ही प्यारा। गांधी जी को सब कहते हैं प्यारा। बड़े हुए मोहन बने महात्मा, सच्चाई और अहिंसा थी उनकी महानता। गांधी जी ने सिखाया सबको प्यार, हिम्मत से करो सब संसार। ये था हमारा पहला दिन, गांधी जी ने कहा हम होंगे सवादीन, बिना हथियार बिना जंग, प्रेम और अहिंसा थे उनके संग। उन्होंने कहा सच बोलना हमारा धर्म, अहिंसा से जीतना ये कर्म। लोगों ने माना उनका कहना, प्रेम और शांति से सबका जीतना। और मत की एक कहानी, गांधी जी ने की थी निशानी, समूह डॉक्टर बर्मा नमक बना अपने हाथों से निशान। धन्यवाद बापू, हम सबको सिखाया, सच और रास्ता दिखाया। का सपना हुआ पूरा, देश हमारा हुआ स्वतंत्र। हर दिल में बस गई उनकी बात, अहिंसा और सच्चाई से मिलती है राह। धन्यवाद बापू, हम सबको सिखाया, अहिंसा और सच्चाई का रास्ता दिखाया।
Wow, what an enthralling performance. Here is a contemporary art of Dastangoi deprecating the value of learning to take turns. That is what our children at Podar Prep did in the classroom for Dastangoi art. kg to perform Dastangoi. Praising Dastangoi experience, Jumbo, Rohan and Maya excitedly continue on their journey of art and story exploration. Soon they find themselves surrounded by the lush green hills of Himachal Pradesh. They are about to discover a beautiful art form of the hills.
Such the beautiful design made on a wall. This is Chak Purana, a traditional Indian art form from Punjab. It is designed within the walls of homes and floors with vibrant colors, similar to Rangoli. This art form is done to celebrate festivals, important life celebrations. Let us celebrate the value of taking responsibility with this art form from Punjab. Mal art form from Himachal Pradesh. He stitch is like a word in a book. This creates a story about our everyday life, animals, nature, and people around. It seems like painting with red. Each Chambaluma unique and facially. Let us celebrate the value of being kind to animals with this art form from Himachal Pradesh.
So this is going to be performed by nursery kids Diza, Dhimahi, Samyukta, Mahi, Kaushik, Ananya, Azima. Boys are Tasmay, Jinay, Riyan, Fyan, Veer, Divyam and Nivant.
गुरगुरांदी गुगती फुरफुरांदी गुगती छलीरे छेता चुगदी गुरगुरांदी गुगती फुरफुरांदी गुगती छलीरे छेता चुगदी गुगती लगी नोचदी धरत माती हौसदी रंग बिरंगी गुगती गुरगुरांदी गुगती गुगती लगी नोचदी धरत माती हौसदी रंग बिरंगी गुगती छोली रे छता चुगदी रंग बिरंगी गुगती ओ कुलुरिए पटवालिए नामा बेशिमले जाना ओ घूमी लेना जिला कांगड़ा मंडी हो ये शिमले जाना ओ पंखा लगा तो बेचदा चेचियो ममीरा बाना ओ कुलुरिए पटवालिए चेचियो ममीरा बाना
brought to life by our young performers has truly mesmerized us. Jumbo, Maya, and Rohan left the hills of Himachal and came to the fields of Punjab. There they see a vibrantly colored design made on the wall outside a home. Let's see what art form it is.
What a lovely creation. Such the beautiful design made on a wall. This is Chalk Purana, a traditional Indian art form from Punjab. It is designed created the walls of homes and floors with vibrant colors and powders similar to Rangoli. This art form is done to celebrate festivals, important life celebrations. Let us celebrate the value of responsibility, taking responsibility. Forum from Punjab.
Our children at Podar Prep did in the classroom for Chok Purana. This is nursery class. They have done this rangoli, beautiful rangoli. Junior KG and senior KG. Waji Wah, what a spectacular art form made by our children. And let's have a dance performance on Chok Purana, Punjab from junior KG students. Jiena, Kaira, Trishika. Boys are Arjun Singh, Taksh, Param Patel, Arav, Reyansh and Devansh.
ਮੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਹੋ ਰੌਣਕ ਹੋ ਜੂ ਘਟ ਵੇ ਚੱਲ ਮੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਮੱਲਾ ਕੱਢ ਕੁੜਤੇ ਦੇ ਵੱਟ ਵੇ ਚੱਲ ਮੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲੀਏ
बचपन वर्गी मौज नहीं लभनी, बचपन वर्गी मौज नहीं लभनी। भावें लाइए लख गुहारा भी मेले मित्रां दे, यारां नाल बहारा मेले मित्रां दे, यारां नाल बहारा मेले मित्रां दे, यारां नाल बहारा मेले मित्रां दे,
यारां नाल बहारा मेले मित्रां दे। ਚਾਦਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ, ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਹੋ ਘੋੜੀਆਂ ਸੁਹਾਗ ਗਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ। ਚਾਦਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ, ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਹੋ ਘੋੜੀਆਂ ਸੁਹਾਗ ਗਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ। ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅੱਡੀ ਮਾਰਦੀਆਂ ਵਿਹੜੇ ਹਿੱਲਦੇ, ਗਿੱਧਾ ਪਾਉਣ ਜੱਟੀਆਂ ਬਨੇਰੇ ਹਿੱਲਦੇ, ਗਿੱਧਾ ਪਾਉਣ ਜੱਟੀਆਂ ਬਨੇਰੇ ਹਿੱਲਦੇ।
Our young performers did an amazing job, trilling and swirling in their colorful articles, spreading the joy of Punjab's rich culture. This is a time to invite someone. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to present to you the heart and soul of this institution, our esteemed principal, Ms. Jyoti Sharma. With her unwavering dedication and visionary leadership, she has guided us to achieve remarkable heights. Let us extend a warm welcome to Ms. Jyoti Sharma, our lovable principal.
I know you all are very, very excited to see to these wonderful toddlers what they have got today for you. And I'm sure that you are going to love each and every bit of it with the lot of information that they are going to give you today. So good afternoon, dear parents, once again. And I welcome you to this annual event of Kahani or Kala Ka Utsav Jumbo ke Saath. Today we embark on a fascinating journey of art and stories, exploring the rich culture of our India. As we gather here today, I would like to highlight the significance of storytelling in art in education as emphasized by the National Education Policy, that is the NEP. The NEP underscores the importance of storytelling as a very, very powerful tool for learning, as it fosters creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. NEP also advocates for the incorporation of the STEAM education. STEAM is science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. And it also recognizes the value of art in enhancing the creativity and the critical thinking skills. In fact, a lot of things come into it. The collaboration, because the children, once they are into art, into storytelling, They are very, very excited. They collaboratively work together. Their brain creative juices come out, and their imagination broadens. So this is the beauty of incorporating art and storytelling into education. Today's event is indeed a testament to this vision of NEP, and we are very proud that Padar has introduced this theme as our annual day event today. Our young artists are indeed taking you on a captivating journey across all the states, showcasing the diverse tapestry of Indian art forms. From the vibrant Madhubani paintings to the Gond art to Kalamkari and all Chitrakatha and Pattachitra, Bhil art, lot of art forms today you are going to be introduced to, lot of art forms you are going to visit today with these wonderful dances that come from these states. And why is it important? This is important because these impart very, very valuable lessons on the values of community building, on the value of kindness, of gratitude, along with a captivating performance that you are going to see today. So thank you so much, parents. I'm not going to take time of yours because here you are to enjoy your little ones performing here on stage. Thank you so much.
It's wonderful painting on that wall of that house. On that house. This is Madhubani Art Forum from Bihar. They use red, green and blue and more color to paint everything that they see around, like trees, river, sun, animals and birds. Each painting tells a story of their life.
Madhubani art is lovely. Let us celebrate the value of taking care of environment with this art form from Bihar.
This is what our children at Podar Prep did in the classroom for Madhubani. This is Madhubani art form from Bihar, and nursery students have sticked this beautiful chart. This is from junior KG, and here comes senior KG. We have a class dance performance on Bihar, and senior KG A students are going to perform on Bihar dance. The participants of Bihar dance are Manvi, Adiba, Heksha, Avni, Ravya, Vedita, Cherry, Naisha, Vedi, Veera, Kirat and Drishti. All the girls are there.
कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी ओ घेरी आए नदी ओ घेरी आए नदी ओ घेरी आए चलली भौजी संग सहेली समा खेला चलली भौजी संग सहेली हो भैया जीवा हो जुग जुग जिया समा खेला चलली भौजी संग सहेली समा खेला चलली भौजी संग सहेली हो भैया जीवा हो जुग जुग जिया समा खेला चलली भौजी संग सहेली कांच बांस के रंगी रंग डाला चकमक चमके दियरा कांच बांस के रंगी रंग डाला चकमक चमके दियरा देख के भैया भौजी की जोड़ी फूल से हम मर दियरा हो जुग जुग जिया हो जुग जुग जिया हो भैया जिया समा खेला चलली भौजी संग सहेली समा खेला चलली भौजी संग सहेली हो भैया
कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए। अभी कुछ सवाल आपसे भी पूछे जाएंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द आर्ट फॉर्म। हु इज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन आर्ट? गूगल नहीं करना है पेरेंट्स प्लीज, मैं देख रही हूँ। नो चीटिंग, नो गूगल। स्वाति मैम नो। जिनके पास फोन होगा उनके पास जाएंगे ही नहीं हम। सबके पास फोन है। गूगल नहीं करना।
ठीक है अभी ठीक है।
आरती मैम।
राजा रवि वर्मा।
गुड, करेक्ट। So please come on the stage. There is a small token of love for you.
અહીંયા જો અહીંયા જો।
This is Bill and Gond art from Madhya Pradesh. This art is made with dots and lines to bring stories alive about animals, trees, and the world we live in.
Let us celebrate the value of eating healthy with this art form from Madhya Pradesh.
This Gond and Beel art form in different colors. This is senior KG. After this, we have a class performance, a dance performance on Madhya Pradesh folk song. Madhya Pradesh folk song is going to be performed by senior KG B students. Names are Ashvi Gajbi, Shivans, Ruman, Swara, Misha, Kaushik, Mihan, Neev, Jians, Aditi and Krishnavi.
करम का दिन कैसे
मोर संग वारी दिलो गाबो कर्म गाबो सुवायो दरिया दिलो गाबो कर्म गाबो सुवायो दरिया तक दिन ना मांदर बाजे सुन ले वो समरिया तक दिन ना मांदर बाजे सुन ले वो समरिया रीरिलो 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 री पेडी मनाते वाता मामा ना पेडी मनाते वाता घुंगरू न गाड़ी पे आज मन वाले मारी पे घुंगरू न गाड़ी पे आज मन वाले मारी पे रे रे ला रे ला 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 रे रे ला रे रे ला रे ला रे 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 ला रे रे ला रे रे ला
Is from Madhya Pradesh culture, the heart is uplifted. Experiencing this love and peace, come, let's all give a big round of applause for these young artists. After the children have performed, it's now the time to pass the baton to the ones who inspired these children to dance, their mothers. Please welcome the moms who have been cheering their children on, and now it's their turn to raise and shine. Before mothers are going to come, we'll play a small game. Okay, 5 parents. Jumbo is going to do. Jumbo says, then only you're going to do the action. Okay? Certain action I'm going to give you all. You will only do the action when Jumbo will say. Okay? Jumbo says, touch your head. Jumbo says, touch your nose. Fast, huh? Dheere dheere nahi. Jumbo says, touch, wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your fingers. Jumbo says, wave your hand. Touch your nose. Sorry, you all are out. Which city is famous for Kalamkari art? Here, ma'am, Joseph's parent.
Machilipatnam.
Correct.
Please come back. Come to the.
मैं वारी मेरी समिए मैं वारी मेरी समिए मैं वारी
मैं नचा गिद्धी विच जद मैं नचा सूरज भी मत्था टेकदा गिद्धी विच जद मैं नचा सूरज भी मत्था टेकदा लुधियाने जट्टी नचे लुधियाने जट्टी नचे पटियाला खड़ खड़ वेखदा लुधियाने जट्टी नचे पटियाला खड़ खड़ वेखदा लुधियाने जट्टी नचे पटियाला खड़ खड़ वेखदा गिद्धा पाया मेल नचाया गिद्धा पाया मेल नचाया होगी जान दी त्यारी आजा कर वजिया मित्रा फुलकारी आका कर वजिया मित्रा फुलकारी आका कर वजिया मित्रा फुलकारी आका कर वजिया
This scroll looks so beautiful. It's just like a book as it unfolds. It's the famous Patachitra from state of West Bengal. As you once called this call, story reveals itself piece by piece. Yes, I know. Pat means cloth and chitra means painting. Let us celebrate the value of celebrating together with this art form from West Bengal. Thank you.
This is what our children at Podar Prep did in the classroom for Pattachitra. Junior KG. This is nursery. They have done a thumb painting. Senior KG. Now get ready to experience the color of West Bengal. Let's welcome class of Senior KG taking us to the land of West Bengal. Participants are Pranshi, Palak, Arvi, Angelina, Udrina, boys Nikum, Rushank, Joseph, Mitanj, Ayush, Dwit and Atharv from Senior KG A.
দোলে টান তোলে কার আনন্দ ছলে আকাশ ভরে জোছনায় ধিতাং ধিতাং বলে এ মা দোলে টান তোলে কার আনন্দ ছলে আকাশ ভরে জোছনায় আয় ছুটে সকলে এই মাটির ধরা তলে আজ হাসির কলরলে নতুন জীবন গড়ি আয় আয় রে আয় লগন বয়ে যায় গুর গুর করে চাঁদের সীমানায় পারুল বন্দাকে চম্পা ছুটে আয় বর্গিরা সভাকে কোমর বেঁধে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয় দিনাক না তিন চিনা এই বাজারে পানবি না আজ সবার মিলন বিনা এমন জীবন বিতা যায় দিনাক না তিন চিনা এই বাজারে পানবি না আজ সবার মিলন বিনা এমন জীবন বিতা যায় এ দেশ তোমার আমার এই আমরা ভরি খামার আর আমরা করি স্বপন দিয়ে সোনার কামনায়। আয় রে আয় লগন বয়ে যায়, এই গুর গুর করে চাঁদের সীমানায়। পারুন বন্দাকে চম্পা ছুটে আয়, মুরগিরা সব হাকে কোমর বেঁধে আয়। আয় রে আয়, আয় রে আয়, আয় রে আয়, আয় রে আয়।
টাকডুম বাজাই, আমি টাকডুম বাজাই, বাংলাদেশের ঢোল আমি টাকডুম বাজাই। সব ভুলে যাই তাও ভুলি না বাংলা মায়ের কোল। টাকডুম বাজাই। বাংলা জন্ম দিলা আমারে, বাংলা জন্ম দিলা আমারে, তোমার পরাণ আমার পরাণ এক নারীতে বাঁধা রে। বাংলা জন্ম দিলা আমারে, মা পুতের এই বাঁধন ছেড়ার সাধ্য কারণ নাই। সব ভুলে যাই তাও ভুলি না বাংলা মায়ের কোল। টাকডুম বাজাই, আমি টাকডুম বাজাই, বাংলাদেশের ঢোল আমি টাকডুম বাজাই। বলো টাকডুম বাজাই, বাংলাদেশের ঢোল আমি টাকডুম বাজাই।
So was their dance. Today, these children won our hearts and strengthened their connection with Bengal's culture. Dear parents, let's have a tongue twister. Can we have 3 parents? 3 parents. Okay? The word I am going to give you, the line I am going to give you. Okay? A good cook could cook good. A good cook could cook.
A good cook could cook good. 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 A good cook could good. A good cook could cook. A good cook could cook good. A good cook could cook good. A good cook could cook good. A good cook could cook good.
Very good. Okay, आप दोनों के लिए एक और. Big black bug bit a big black bear. One more time. Big black bug bit a big black bear.
Bit black blood.
Big black bug bitter
Big black bear.
big black bug bitter black bear.
Sorry. Hamid's mother, Ruhana ma'am.
Bit a big black bear. Big black bug bit a big black bear. Big black bug bit a big black bear. Big black bug bit a big black bear.
Sorry ma'am.
Black bear. Big black bug bit a big 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 black bear. Thank you.
Wow! This is Tuvalu Gombeata, a unique shadow puppet show art form from the state of Karnataka in India. Stories have many forms: word, cloth, paint, and even shadows. The puppet show tells stories of bravery and wisdom.
Our teachers tell the stories like Three Little Pigs on the Earth, Red Riding Hood, Goldilocks, and many others to puppets.
Let us celebrate the value of gratitude, being thankful through this art form from Karnataka. Thank you.
Children of Podar Prep in the classroom did for Togalu Gombeta from Karnataka. Senior KG class. Teacher have done the puppet show. Purab's parent. Backstage, ma'am. Our young performers from class Junior KG are all set to transport you to a world where shadows dance and stories unfold. Let's enjoy this enchanting glimpses into Karnataka's culture, heritage, and enjoy this state of folk dance. From Junior KG B. The performers are Vedika, Devi, Anaya, Jisha, Adya. Boys are Vedic, Stavya, Rozan, Anirudh, Param Prajapati.
ಸುಗ್ಗಿಕಾಲ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬಂದಿತೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ತಂದಿತೋ
ಸುಗ್ಗಿಕಾಲ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬಂದಿತೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ತಂದಿತೋ
ಧಾನ್ಯದ ರಾಶಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾ ಧಾನ್ಯದ ರಾಶಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾ
ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ತಾಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಳು ಸುಗ್ಗಿಕಾಲ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬಂದಿತೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ತಂದಿತೋ
ಸುಗ್ಗಿಕಾಲ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬಂದಿತೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ತಂದಿತೋ
ರಾಗಿಯ ಜೋಳದ ಭತ್ತದ ನವಣೆಯ ತೊಗರಿಯವರೆಯ ರಾಶಿ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾವ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮುದ್ದು ಹಸರಿನ ರಾಶಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾವ್ರೆ
ಮುತ್ತು ಮುತ್ತು ಹಣದಂತ ತೇನೆ ಚಂದ ಕಂತೆ ಕಂತೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಂತ ಬಣವೆ ಅಂದ
ಕಾಲು ಕಾಲು ರಾಶಿ ನೀವು ಎಂಥ ಚಂದ ಆಳು ರಾಶಿ ನೀವು
ಬೈಲ ತುಂಬಿ ಕೊಡುವ ಪಡಿದಾನ ಚಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಬೈಲ ತುಂಬಿ ಕೊಡುವ ಪಡಿದಾನ ಚಂದ
ಸುಖಿದಾಲ ಹಿಕ್ಕಿ ಬಂದಿತು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ತಂದಿತು
ಸುಗ್ಗಿಕಾಲ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬಂದಿತೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ತಂದಿತೋ
ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್ ಜಗ್ ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್ ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್ ಜಗ್ ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್
ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್ ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್ ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್ ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್
ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್ ಜಗ್ ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್ ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್ ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್ ಜಗ್ ನಕ್ ನಕ್ ಜಗ್ ಜಗ್ ನಕ್
Performance brought the energy and spirit of Karnataka to life. Let's give our young performers a big round of applause for their amazing effort. With this, we step closer to the end of our journey, but the magic of these art forms will remain with us forever. Maya and Rohan with Jumbo in the city of Telangana decide to visit an art exhibition.
These are Nirmal paintings. These are Nirmal paintings from the state of Telangana. These vibrant Nirmal paintings tell us stories like the infamous dive, the bustling market scene, and the joy of celebrating traditional festivals. These paintings are lovely. Let us celebrate the value others' feelings, belongings, and space with this art from Telangana. Thank you.
Coming from Telangana, here is a contemporary art of Nirmal based on the values, other feelings, belonging and space. This is what our children at Podar Prep did in the classroom for Nirmal art. These are the bookmarks which they have painted.
సక్కాని తల్లి సుక్కల్లో జాబిల్లి నవ్వుల్లో నాగా మల్లి నా పల్లె పాలా వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ జలమంటూ ఉంటే సూరమ్మో తల్లి నీ కడుపున పుడతా మాయమ్మ తల్లి నీ కడుపున పుడతా మాయమ్మ సక్కాని తల్లి సుక్కల్లో జాబిల్లి నవ్వుల్లో నాగా మల్లి నా పల్లె పాలా వెళ్ళి కాళ్ళకి చెప్పైనావు దండోరాడప్పైనావు పల్లెకు చివరానుంటూ ఊరితో కాపైనావు ఎండవానల్లో నీవే సేను శలకల్లో నీవే అయ్యారు మాలన్న నీ పనులలో నీవే సరిరారు నీకెవరు ఓరన్నో సల్లంగా ఉండాలి మాయన్న నువ్వు సల్లంగా ఉండాలి మాయన్న సూరా సక్కాని తల్లి సుక్కల్లో జాబిల్లి నవ్వుల్లో నాగా మల్లి నా పల్లె పాలగల్లి
గల్లు 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 జోడెట్ల పరుగు చూడు తందనాన తాన హంసలాగా వంశధార ఎగసి పరవళ్ళు చూడు తందనాన తాన గల్లు 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 జోడెట్ల పరుగు చూడు తందనాన తాన హంసలాగా వంశధార ఎగసి పరవళ్ళు చూడు తందనాన తాన
very difficult as an adult to perform on a dance the lyrics which we don't know. But at least our young ones have tried this. So we want a clap. What a brilliant display of the culture and tradition. Our young dancers have truly captured the essence of Telangana's folk heritage. Our journey through India's artistic landscape has been joyful and colorful. Let us encourage our children and performers to bring such vibrant energy to the stage. Take a trip down memory lane to celebrate the wisdom, love, and energy of our beloved children's through Andhra Pradesh, that is Kalamkari art.
Kalamkari art.
Darsh as Rohan.
Kalamkari art formed from Andhra Pradesh. Kalam means pen, kari means work. It uses digital light and block printing to tell stories. This is interesting. Let us celebrate the value of respecting others' feelings, belongings, and space with this art coming from Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.
From based on the value of respecting other feelings, belongings, and space. This is what our children at Podar Prep did in the classroom for Kalamkari from Andhra Pradesh. Let's play a game one more time. Jumbo says me, you don't win any prize. None of the parents has won any prize. So we are going to play Jumbo says one more time. 5 parents जो आ चुके हैं वो नहीं, next 5. यही ट्विस्ट है. आप सब डर गए ना? चलिए, Jumbo says, okay? All the best. Jumbo says touch your head. Jumbo says touch your nose. Jumbo says touch your nose. Jumbo says touch your eyes. Jumbo says touch your hair. Touch your nose. Ritika's parent and Dhyan parent, दोनों finger. Fast. Jumbo says touch your hair. Jumbo says touch your feet. Jumbo says wiggle your finger. Jumbo says wiggle your fingers. Sorry, sir. Jumbo says wiggle your finger. Jumbo says touch your nose. Touch your head. Jumbo says clap for 5 times. Jumbo says touch your nose. Jumbo says touch your head. Jumbo says touch your feet. Jumbo says get up. Jumbo says touch your hand. Jumbo says touch your nose. Touch your head. Congratulations, sir.
Zoom 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 zoom
రంగుల పండుగ వచ్చేనే రంగుల పండుగ సంక్రాంతి రైతుల పండుగ సంక్రాంతి సిరుల పండుగ సంక్రాంతి సరదాలే ముగ్గుల పండుగ సంక్రాంతి ఆనంద వేడుక సంక్రాంతి పల్లెకు సందడి సంక్రాంతి సంబరాలే
కూడా లంబడి పిల్ల రమ్మందిరో పంజారోడ సత్సంగిట ఆకుమల్ల సాకుందిరో పంచాగుట్ట బాన్సువాడ మల్లి జంతుని బాయి కొప్పులోన పెట్టుకొస్తిని నల్లగొండ నాగవల్లిని నీకు నాసు తంత ఇవ్వవస్తిని తంది మరి పోరగాడ చౌదిరాల లాల కూడా లంబడి పిల్ల రంబందిరో పంజారోడ సత్సంగిట ఆకుమల సాకుందిరో పంజాగుట్ట కూడా లంబడి పిల్ల రమ్మందిరో పంజారోడ సర్సంకిట్ట ఆకుమల్ల సాకుందిరో పంజాగుట్ట బాన్సువాడ మల్లి జంతుని వారి కొప్పులోన పెట్టుకొస్తిని నల్లగొండ నాగమల్లిని నీకు నాసుకంత ఇవ్వవస్తిని తండ్రి మరి పోరగాడ చదిరాల లాల కూడా లంబడి పిల్ల రంబందిరో పంజారోడ సర్సంకిట ఆకుమల సాకుందిరో పంజాగుట్ట.
Wasn't that a colorful tale we just saw?
Look, they are painting on a wall. It looks too excited. Let's go there. They are doing kavi painting in red with fine white lines. They tell stories of everyday life in Goa, such as fishermen tales, festival, etc. Troy. Lovely. These paintings are fascinating and vibrant as Goa music. Let us celebrate the value of working together with this art form from Goa. Thank you.
Welcome to this vibrant celebration of Goan. Here is a contemporary art of Kavi form, Goa, that showcases value of loving nature. We take you on a journey through the heart of Goa, where music, dance, and art are woven into the very fabric of life. I invite you to enjoy the traditional Goan dance performance by our little ones of nursery. In Konkani, we say, Chalo Jeev Kruya, let's enjoy.
आम्ही शेतकरी खातो आम्ही नुस्तेंगार रोयतो आम्ही कोंकणी उलयतो आनी गोंया आमचो गांव आम्ही शेतकरी खातो आम्ही नुस्तेंगार रोयतो आम्ही कोंकणी उलयतो आनी गोंया आमचो गांव कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करूया राजभास कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करूया राजभास कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करूया राजभास कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करूया राजभास.
Undra mucha mama, ani au santa tuca. Undra mucha mama, आणि हांव सांगता तुका आणि माझा हरीच्या पिला लागीं सग मागिनाका आणि माझा हरीच्या पिला लागीं सग मागिनाका Undir mama ailo ani pachi pona liplo Undir mama ailo ani pachi pona liplo ani mazori chapila na taka yaka na sakailo ani mazori chapila na taka yaka na sakailo ya maya ya maya ya maya ya maya ya maya ya maya ya Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, hey, oh Maria Pitache. Barradata mammelusi, istreti compri. Barradata mammelusi, istreti compri. Allegna entrada milusi, Christine Said. Allegna entrada milusi, Christine Said. Hey! Por amor da voz me luzi, eu fico saudade. Por amor da voz me luzi, eu fico saudade. Fazer a sentinela me luzi, levar chicotada. Fazer a sentinela me luzi, levar chicotada. Oh Maria Pitache, 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 oh Maria Pitache. Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. Last time, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. Oh Maria Pitache.
Did a mesmerizing performance. Didn't the journey, energy, and joy of Goan culture just fill the air? Goa is a land where every celebration is painted with colors of happiness. Moving from Goa to Maharashtra. Jumbo, Rohan, and Maya arrived in a small village in rural Maharashtra known for its traditional homes and scenic landscape. There, they saw a few villagers sitting on mats watching some artist performing under the tree. Captivated, adding the charm of the rural cultural setting.
What a beautiful story, art form, storytelling style. It's Chitrakati art is traditional art form. It's told through musical storytelling technique. The art comes from Apla Maharashtra, where Chitra means picture and Kathi means story. Let us celebrate the value of knowing, importance of following a routine from day to night. Thank you.
Coming from Maharashtra, here is a contemporary art of Chitrakati showcasing the value of knowing the importance of following a routine from day to night. This is what our children at Podar Prep did in the classroom for Chitrakati art. Our children from class senior with the traditional attire of Maharashtra are all set to perform folk dance of Maharashtra. So without any further ado, let's immerse ourselves into the enchanting beat and rhythm of this rich traditional culture.
मायेच्या हळव्या स्पर्शाने खुलते, नात्यांच्या बंधात धुंद मोहरते. मायेच्या हळव्या स्पर्शाने खुलते, नात्यांच्या बंधात धुंद मोहरते. मन उभाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते. मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते. मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे. जसे अंकुरते मनी कल्पना येते, व्याकुळ होते तुळतुळ तुटते खोल कुठे गलबलते. अल्लोळात मनाच्या बीज चमकुनी जाते, शब्दांचे आणि गीतांचे हे झाड पुरे मोहरते. हा गौरव संगीताचा, हा गौरव कवी मनाचा, हे हृदय पुष्कर सुखांचा जननी अर्पण करणाऱ्यांचा. माझं मन माय मराठीला, माझं मन माय मराठीला, आपलं बोलीला आणि तो तिला जीव तिला. असे ही रत्न हिरांची खान गळची, असे हिला बहुजा, असे हिला जनांची मान. करूया चला हिचा बहुमान जी जी जी, करूया चला हिचा बहुमान जी 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 जी. हा गौरव सुमनाचा, हा गौरव सुमनाचा, आणि कला तुझी मराठी गाणं सपनाचा. गौरव शब्द कलेचा, गौरव रंग कलेचा, गौरव तंत्राचा आणि गौरव मंत्राचा, गौरव नवोदिताचा, नवीन उन्मेषाचा, जीवन गौरव कला महर्षी दिग्गज व्यक्तित्वाचा. हा गौरव सुमनाचा, हा गौरव सुमनाचा, आणि कला तुझी मराठी गाणं सपनाचा.
These children truly represented the grace and vibrance of our state perfectly. Let's give them another round of applause for their incredible performance. Kitty Good. Now, weren't that sweet? Yes or no? We hope you all enjoy this beautiful blend of art and music. So, now it's time to represent Gujarat. अच्छा लगा ना अपना सब देख जान करके कि गुजरात आने वाला है ना? हमारे बच्चे सोचो. Jumbo, Maya and Rohan journey now takes them to the colorful land of Gujarat. Jumbo and friends reach a village of Bhil tribe. Well, let's hear our children talk about this art.
I can see horses in these paintings made on the wall. Yes, and these painting horses have bold line, vibrant color, and intricate pattern. Yes, Pithora art form beautiful painting of human figure, animal, nature made from a nature type. They tell story of love for nature, celebration of event, relationship, much more. Thank you.
વાહ રે વાહ, બધા બાળકોની પ્રદર્શનને તો મન મોહ લીધું. Wow, our young performers truly captured our heart with their performance. As the trail comes to an end, Jumbo, Maya, and Rohan are excited about everything they have seen and learnt about the amazing art forms. Their trail ends in the mesmerizing land of Rajasthan, a land of sun kissed deserts, places forts, and vibrant history of art forms, folk music, and dance. The three are about to witness an art form from that we all cherish and love to see.
Rajasthan. The artists have a one special box is covered. They carry to different place, shows a part of a story that is printed. Each panel of the cover box shows a part of a story. Part of a story that is printed. As it opens, the story unfolds. Lovely. Every picture has a story, and every story has a bring us closer to our tradition. Let us celebrate the value of cleanliness with this art form from Rajasthan. Thank you.
This is a covered box.
Storytellers, they go to villages, they go to the town and tell stories through this covered box. As the covered unfolds, covered painting box using the pictures to create सफाई स्टोरी. अब चलो हम सब मिलकर एक बहुत ही नामुमकिन राजस्थानी लोक नृत्य का आनंद उठाते हैं. लेट्स वेलकम आवर क्लास ऑफ जूनियर केजी टू परफॉर्म ऑन द फुट टैपिंग बीट्स ऑफ सॉन्ग. क्लास परफॉर्मेंस बाय जूनियर केजी. युग, हामिद, ध्यान, रिदान. Girls are Naisha, Geeta, Vedi, Prisha and Kanishka.
तुम्हारी
Wasn't it amazing to see how a simple wooden box could carry so many stories and emotions? And the dance, what a way to celebrate the spirit of Rajasthan. I hope you carry these stories and memories with you, just like the Kavadiyas carry their tales. It is now time for the cool. It's now time for vote of thanks. After that, we are going to have grand finale. On behalf of Podar Prep and our talented young performers, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for gracing us with your presence tonight. We would like to express our appreciation to our wonderful audience of your unwavering support and enthusiasm. Your presence here being the driving force behind our young stars' outstanding performers. We thank our trustees for always exciting their complete support. We also appreciate and thank our founder director, Dr. Swati Popat Vats, for giving us the vision and always coming up with unique themes, enlightening all of us through this journey. I also extend my thank to my principal, Ms. Jyoti Sharma, and our GM sir for their continuous support and motivation. A big thank you to all our dedicated teachers and staff for their tireless effort in nourishing and guiding our students, making this event a success. We would also like to extend our thanks to our PI learners who contributed towards the success of this event. It's time for our teachers to come on the stage because it is very difficult to make so little kids to dance on the beats which they don't know. Even teachers also don't know, but they have worked hard to do this performance. I want to call my teachers. Teachers on the stage, please. Teachers on the stage. Anvi ma'am, nursery. Nidhi ma'am, nursery. Maheshwari ma'am, senior KG. Devjani ma'am, senior KG. Where is Tasmeen ma'am? She is not well. Okay. Thank you so much, teachers. Thank you. Principal ma'am, I want you on the stage. There is a small token of love from our side to ma'am. Mahesh bhai, Haresh bhai. Haresh bhai wants to give a token of love to ma'am. Are done by Haresh bhai.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने ठन ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम हो, हो,
जिसके दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं। कोई आगे चलता है, हम पीछे चलते हैं। दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है, इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है। रुके से न रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम। ओ, 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 चले बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम।
मन उपजी फुलवारी रे, साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी ये किलकारी रे। वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई धगा भरियारी रे। शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे। मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवारो जी रे।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो शुभ दिन आयो आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो
जूनियर केजी टीचर्स की जूनियर केजी दीदी मनीषा दीदी
रंग ले आयो शुभ दिन आयो मरने भायो नयो नयो रंग ले आयो होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे होठों पे मुस्कान
जूनियर केजी
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो शुभ दिन आयो
कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी। कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी। ओ घेरी आए नदी, ओ घेरी आए नदी, ओ घेरी आए नदी। कैसे खेले जैबो कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी। कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी। इतना करे लू गुमान होके चले लू भूटान। इतना करे लू गुमान
जूनियर केजी उर्वशी मैम एंड दीदी गायत्री दीदी को जूनियर केजी
तोहरो नैना बाटे तोहरो नैना बाटे जुलूमी कटरिया बदरिया घेरी आए नदी। कैसे खेले जैबो सावन में कजरिया बदरिया घेरी
जूनियर केजी है KG teacher Devjani ma'am, senior KG students.
ধিতাং বলি কে মা তোলে তাং তোলে কার আনন্দ উচ্ছলে আকাশ ভরে যোছনায় ধিতাং বলি কে মা তোলে তাং তোলে কার আনন্দ আকাশ ভরে যোছনায় আয় ছুটে সকলে এই মাটির ধরা তলে আজ হাসির কলরলে নতুন জীবন গড়ি আয় আয় রে আয় লগন বয়ে যায় গুর গুর করে চাঁদের সীমানায় পারুই বন্ডাকে চম্পা ছুটে আয় বর্গিরা সভাকে কোমর বেঁধে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয়
Senior KG
আয় আয় রে আয়
গুরগুরান্দি গুগতি ফুরফুরান্দি গুগতি ছলিরে ছেতা চুগদি গুরগুরান্দি গুগতি ফুরফুরান্দি গুগতি ছলিরে ছেতা চুগদি गुगती लगी नौचदी धरत माती हौसदी रंग बिरंगी गुगती गुरगुरांदी गुगती गुगती लगी नौचदी धरत माती हौसदी रंग बिरंगी गुगती छोली रे छता चुगदी रंग बिरंगी गुगती
Senior KG दीदी कविता दीदी. Devalya, she is the prompter.
Hello.
The teacher is standing behind the kids. Aarti ma'am, Aarti Bhagwakar, and Monica ma'am. You are here. Special thanks to Mr. Kunal Brahmbhatt for arranging the things, and accountant sir, Mr. Sohail Samnani, Chaitali ma'am, for being a support to us. Thank you so much. Please, sir, Sohail sir on the stage. Chaitali ma'am. Chaitali ma'am, Kunal sir, Sohail sir, please. Ekta ma'am. Aarti ma'am, backstage. बहुत हेल्प किया. And a very, very, very special thank you. Disposal from the stage will announce.
Just take it, there's no reason we should waste it. There's no mistaking when the sunlight's calling. Ready now for all that's coming. We're standing at the edge of all that lies ahead. I think we got it, the life we wanted. It feels like everything is going our way. I think we got it. The life we want.